Yes, there is a big boom right now going on social media with a lot of people talking about digital marketing courses, different products that you can sell using social media to make money, and affiliate marketing. I've been an online entrepreneur since 2010, and this is not really a new thing. In fact, I do have a lot of my own digital marketing courses that I market, sell, and promote. And I'm also a super fan of affiliate marketing, which I'm also a part of. But there are some really important things that no one is talking about right now. I believe that it's really important to have all of the information so that you can analyze where your time and money is best utilized. I've been having a lot of people come up to me lately and saying, "Hey Tanya, what do you think about digital marketing or affiliate marketing?" So there's some things that people aren't talking about that I want to share today. I want to help you with some of the information that people don't typically talk about when it comes to building an online business or making money from social media or creating your own digital courses or even affiliate marketing. So let's dive in. Welcome to the Wired to Crush It show. My name's Tanya Aliza, and I've been my own online entrepreneur since 2009. And I build my business 100% online using my automated selling systems. I've built a multiple seven-figure brand and business. And I say that to say that this stuff works if you listen, take action, and you implement. And if you are an entrepreneur or looking to build a business online, make sure that you get subscribed to the show because I put out a brand new training episode and free resource for your business every week. So I have many different sources of income. I always say multiple streams of income are better than one stream or source of income. I wrote down a few of my income sources here because I was curious of all of the sources over the years that we've created. So I have my own digital courses. I do affiliate marketing. So I have affiliate products that I promote, and we do very well with those affiliate offers. I also am in network marketing. I love that model because of the residual income from it. I also do coaching, consulting. I also own Airbnbs with my husband. So we have a real estate arm. I do real estate note investing. I have a private equity fund that I am an investor in. I also have my universal whole life index plan as far as an income source, as well as my self-managed 401k that we put aside for obviously retirement when we're retired. So we have a lot of different ways that we earn money. And I think multiple streams of income are fabulous, but you kind of have to start somewhere. You can't just start with everything all at the same time. So where do you start that is actually going to be worth the time and money? Well, in all of our ways that we make money and all of the ways that I've learned from the ways that we make money as far as making money and then getting our money to make money for us, right? Purely passive, there's some important things that I've actually really learned. The biggest thing that I learned is that if you don't have residual income coming in, you're going to be working too hard. You're going to burn yourself out. It's not sustainable, and you'll reach at eventually some point market saturation. So when I'm analyzing opportunities that cross my desk, whether it's affiliate offers, digital marketing, or even me going into creating a digital course or program, I'm now asking myself the question, how can I make this a residual opportunity? Meaning that if I go out there and I do the work once, like create the program, can I offer it in a residual income way? As far as a membership, a subscription, an auto ship. So when I evaluate my opportunities, I'm not really looking anymore to make one-off sales. I'm looking at the opportunities in a greater, grander vision of how do I actually make sustainable residual income. So the problem with most digital courses or even most affiliate offers is that when you stop selling them or you stop marketing them, meaning you stop doing the work, the money stops coming in. There's nothing wrong with having this be a part of your plan, of your business model, and maybe one of the sources of your income. But as far as it being the end all be all and maybe your main thing, you may reconsider that and say, okay, this might be a really good thing over here to have as an additional thing, but making your main thing, the thing that's going to pay you a residual income, is going to be where your leverage is going to come from and where your maximum profits are going to be. And I would highly suggest finding a way to find a residual business, a residual product that you can sell that is going to be part of your main business plan. It's just common sense, right? You don't want to start every single month at zero. So if you're just selling digital courses and you don't have a membership attached to it or subscription, or you don't have an auto ship, this is why I love network marketing as well, because we have an auto ship attached to the sale, right? But if you don't have that, every single month, you're essentially starting at zero, and you have to keep selling that month to get your income back to what it was last month or greater than last month. Hopefully it's greater than the month before, right? But if you have a residual offer, meaning you have a subscription-based model, an auto ship-based model, if you get the customer in month one and they stay as a subscriber of yours or an auto ship customer of yours, in month two, you still have that same revenue coming in that you did work for the month prior. So it compounds on top of each other. So whenever you're evaluating opportunities, this is why it's so important to make your main thing the residual income opportunity that you're going to pour money, time, and effort into. This is, again, why I love network marketing as an arm of our brand and our business. I love subscription-based affiliate products that I like to promote that pay on a residual basis commissions. Not all subscription affiliate programs pay you commissions on a residual basis. They might sign up a person on their end and it's residual for them and they just pay you in month one. They don't pay you when the customer keeps paying. So evaluate that. It is very important. And that's also another reason why I like creating memberships or subscriptions inside of my own digital course business. If I had to start all over today with my 15 years plus of entrepreneur experience, business owner, online digital marketing experience, if I had to start again all over today at ground zero, here's exactly what I do. I would find a really great network marketing company that offers great products that are aligned with me, that pays really well. They have a great compensation plan. Obviously, they have an auto ship plan in place and they understand marketing. I would align myself with that network marketing company, and then I would go out there and I would build my audience around that niche topic. So if you say to yourself, I think I would find myself best aligned with a wellness or health and wellness type network marketing company, I'm going to go out there and I'm going to build my niche audience around people who are looking for that specific type of health and wellness information. So you start building your tribe around that niche. And then I would find other relevant offers that matches the needs of that niche that I could also offer in affiliated products, maybe courses, or other things that would help that niche market that I could also generate multiple streams of income from. And then from there, the next phase might be me creating my own membership around helping that niche of people. So again, I am building another residual income stream that I own and control. I start with network marketing, find other affiliate offers, whether they're residual or not, but they're multiple streams of income. They're helping that niche. I'm building my brand and tribe around that niche. And then if I so wish to do, I spend the time and money creating my own mentoring, coaching, membership program around helping that niche to, again, further and solidify my residual income base. And that's exactly what I would do if I was just getting started today, knowing all that I know. Oh, wait, that's exactly my business model today. And it works, you guys. It works so well. The most important thing that you can do to build your digital marketing business, to earn a living on social media, to build an online business, whatever it is, affiliate marketing, whatever products that you're promoting or looking at promoting, the number one thing that you have to know how to do is to attract an audience that would even care about or be interested in what it is that you're selling or what it is that you're offering or recommending or suggesting. I put together a free class that will actually pull back the curtains on my multiple seven-figure branded business and show you exactly how I've been doing this over the years and what exactly I do to attract people who already have an interest in what it is that I am selling, and then how I convert those people on autopilot into sales, signups, and customers. The free class is called my Revenue Multiplier Masterclass. I know, great name, right? That's exactly what it's aimed to do. And if you'd like to tune in, it's free right now, and you can grab a registration link over at Tanya tanyaaliza.com/class. I'll leave a link in the description area or show notes of where you're tuning in, and you can go over there and get access for free while we have it for free. But that's the first thing that you have to do, and this is why I created the masterclass. I have tons of people that come to me that say, Tanya, I'm promoting this thing, I'm promoting this affiliate offer or network marketing offer. Like, how do I get people to buy this stuff that I'm aligned with? And unfortunately, sometimes they don't give you the full marketing plan to execute online. So I created the masterclass to help you with that. And it's exactly how I'm attracting high quality prospects and teammates to my brand and business, and how I'm signing up a lot of them on autopilot using my automated selling system. So you can head over to tanyaaliza.com/class, get registered. I'll see you there. Hopefully it helps. Hopefully you got some value just learning a little bit about the power of evaluating digital marketing courses, programs, network marketing, residual money versus linear money, which you always want residual money. Hopefully you found value. If you did, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, share this with anybody that you think would find value, and I'll see you next week on the show.